Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And you lubricate your saw, you're good to go. You can just use a little candle for this. Now on to the real work, and let's get rid of the silver lump and remove all of these things. If you look closely, you can see the saw running through the wood, so my saw won't shoot out and I can't hurt myself. This lump is going into my scrap silver and I can use it again with my next casting. I'm happy with how the side of the button looks, and now it's time to start sanding the bottom. I use a glass plate for this. By using an even surface, you will get a smooth finish on your project. I'll start out with a 180 grit sanding paper and sand my item in one straight motion. Sand like you did before, only now the sides, and also use the same grits. So go from 180 to 240, 500 until you reach 2000. And then I make a little hole with my center punch. And just make a little hole while using the center punch hole as a reference guide, so that your ball burr will stay in place. Support your ball burr with your finger, of course without cutting yourself, and just very steadily make a little hole. So I will add boraxine, you may know it as boric acid, then gently pick it up and place it on top of the little solder bit and let the solder flow onto the post. At this point I will also heat up the earring and cover it in boraxine. The beauty of boraxine is that it's going to bubble and turn white, and at the moment that all the bubbles will go away and you are left with a honey-like substance, you know that your earring is hot enough to be soldered. To strengthen your earring post, use a plier and gently twist while pulling the post back. This will harden your silver, which is necessary to make a good earring. After a couple of hours in the tumbler, you are left with a beautiful shiny piece of jewelry. I have shown you in this 3-part series how you can go from a regular button from a piece of clothing to these beautiful earrings by using the Delft clay method.